Physics, it is the branch of science in which we observe, measure, and describe natural phenomena related to matter and energy. Such natural phenomena can be classified in the branch of physics like mechanics, properties of matter, sound, also called acoustics, light, optics, heat, thermal physics, atomic physics, electricity and nuclear physics, and so on. Physical quantities. The quantities by means of which we describe the law of physics are known as physical quantities. Now a physical quantity is completely specified by its numerical value only, its magnitude only, or its magnitude and direction. When it is only specified by numerical value like ratio, for example refractive index, dielectric constant, etc. Now when it is specified by completely only magnitude, for example in such categories mass, charge, current, etc. and quantity, physical quantity is completely specified by magnitude and direction like vector, for example displacement, torque, force, acceleration, etc. And some physical quantities which are not completely specified even by magnitude, unit and direction, and these physical quantities are called tensors like moment of inertia, in general. In expressing the magnitude of a physical quantity, we have to choose a unit and then find physical quantity, how many times that unit is contained in the given physical quantity. So we can write magnitude of a physical quantity equals to numerical value multiplied by unit. So from above it is clear that for a physical quantity, if the unit will change, numerical value will also change. For example, we know the density of water. If density of water is 1 gram per cc, it can be also written as 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So when we change the unit from gram per cc to kg per meter cube, we see that numerical value have changed. That is, earlier it was 1 and now it was 10 to the power 3. In a physical quantity, magnitude means numerical value and its unit. Larger the unit, smaller will be the numerical value and vice versa. For example, 1 ampere equals to 1 by 10 EMU of current. EMU means electromagnetic unit. Now here 1 is greater than 1 by 10. So ampere is a smaller unit than EMU of current, that is EMU unit of current called biot. EMU of current is also called biot. That is, we can write 1 ampere equals to 1 by 10 biot. Now let's discuss about the magnitude. In the study of physics, we have to deal from very small to a very large magnitude. A small magnitude is known as micro, and a large magnitude is known as macro. For example, on one side we talk about the atom, while on the other side of universe. The mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, while that of sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. And to express such large or a small magnitude, simultaneously we use some prefixes, and these prefixes are expressed as the power of 10. So we see some prefixes generally used to represent the magnitude. For example, if power is 10 to the power 18, then prefix used is exa and its symbol is capital E. For example, exa kilometer. If we write exa kilometer, it means 10 to the power 18 kilometer. Similarly, others prefix are, for example, for 10 to the power 15, prefix is peta and symbol is capital P. Similarly, 10 to the power 12, prefix is tera and represented by capital T. 10 to the power 9, prefix is giga, represented by capital G. That is represented means symbol. Similarly, 10 to the power 6, prefix is mega and symbol is capital M. 10 to the power 3, prefix is kilo and symbol is a small k. 10 to the power 2, prefix is hecto and symbol is H. 10 to the power 1, prefix is deca and symbol is a small da. Next, 10 to the power minus 1, prefix is deci, symbol is a small d. 10 to the power minus 2, prefix is centi, symbol is a small c. 10 to the power minus 3, prefix is milli, symbol is a small m. 10 to the power minus 4, prefix is micro, symbol is micro. 10 to the power minus 9, prefix is nano, symbol is n. 10 to the power minus 12, prefix is pico, symbol is p. 10 to the power minus 15, prefix is femto, symbol is f. 10 to the power minus 18, prefix is atto, symbol is a. In this prefix, generally used are like kilo, mega and centi, milli, micro and nano are generally used during the study of physics several times. Now there is some rules for using prefixes, so we see what are these rules. The first one is that the use of double prefixes should be avoided as far as possible. Example, instead of writing micro f, we must write pf, a small p and capital F, pf, for pico farad. Similarly, kmw, we must write capital GW for gigawatt. For kilo megawatt, we must write gigawatt. Next one is when prefix is placed before the symbol of unit, the combined prefix and symbol should be considered as one new symbol, and which can be raised to a positive or negative power without any bracket. For example, km to the power 3 means 10 to the power 3 meter to the cube, power cube, but never means 10 to the power 3 into meter cube. Or micro per second means 10 to the power minus 6 second to the power minus 1, but not 10 to the power minus 6 into second to the power minus 1. So using the prefixes, we can express magnitude of many physical quantities more compactly. For example, see here, that is like 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad will be written as 5 microfarad, because 10 to the power minus 6 we can use micro for 10 to the power minus 6, so we can write 5 microfarad. Or similarly, 1.3 into 10 to the power 6 electron volt can be written as 1.3 mega electron volt, because 10 to the power 6 power will be changed into mega. Now, while using the magnitude of a physical quantity, we have to keep in mind that normally decimal is used after first digit using powers of 10. For example, if we have a physical quantity like 3750 meter, then the standard way to write it is as 3.750 into 10 to the power 3 meter, or 3.750 kilometer. Because it is written we choose this style because to find the order of magnitude of a physical quantity. To find the order of a magnitude of physical quantity, first physical quantity is expressed in powers of 10 as in the before example we see, and is taken to be 1 if the value is less than 3.16, and 10 if the value is greater than 3.16. For example, here see, the speed of light equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, because 3 is less than 3.16. So its order will be 10, because 3 is less than 3.16, so 3 will be converted to the 1, and so power will remain same, 10 to the power 8. So order will be set to be, in this case, 8. Similarly, for example, mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Now 9.1 is greater than 3.16, so this will be converted into 10, and so the new mass of electron will be written as 10 to the power minus 30 kg. So the order of this value will be minus 10. Now, number of significant figures in a magnitude of a physical quantity can neither be increased or decreased. That is, if we write 3.10 kg, then it cannot be written as 3.1 kg or 3.100 kg. Next point. While making mathematical operation, in the final result, proper number of significant figures are retained by rounding off. Now see how we round off the value. So in rounding off, if the digit next to 1 rounded is more than 5, the digit to be rounded increased by 1. If the digit next to 1 rounded is less than 5, the digit to be rounded left unchanged. And if the digit next to 1 rounded is 5, then the digit to be rounded increased by 1 if it is odd, and is left unchanged if it is even. The last digit in the magnitude of a physical quantity is called doubtful figure. For example, in 3.2 meter, 2 is doubtful figure as the true value is in between the 3.1 meter to 3.3 meter. So this value can be correctly written as 3.2 plus minus 0.1. Next, the last digit in the magnitude of physical quantity gives the least count accuracy. As smaller is the least count, more accurate will be the measurement. For example, if we write 3 kg, that is 3 kg is less accurate than 3.0 kg, as least count in the former is 1 kg while in the latter is 0.1 kg. Next point, millions and billions are not used, as these are now obsolete and create confusion, because in USA billions stand for 10 to the power 9, while in England it represents 10 to the power 12. So these are some important point related to the study physics.